Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering what matters: 3 newspapers, scissors, glue, and a flat work surface. Once done, pick pages with bold headlines or clear images because they hold ink better and show up when cut. Make sure to flatten each sheet, smooth creases, and remove staples or inserts so cutting is safe. This gets you ready to create, protect surfaces, and avoid mistakes. Now, position the page and plan your first cut. Simple, deliberate, and efficient so the next steps flow. You mark the shapes or headlines lightly with pencil so you know exactly where to cut. This saves time and reduces errors. Then, cut along those lines using slow, steady strokes. This keeps edges clean and prevents tearing. Once cut, layer pieces for collage, wrapping, or craft reinforcement. Overlap by about 0.5 inches to strengthen joins. Make sure to apply glue sparingly and press seams flat. This secures pieces and prevents bubbling, which matters. You finish by trimming edges, cleaning off excess glue, and pressing the project under weight so it dries flat and neat. If you need moisture resistance, seal or varnish the surface. Make sure to ventilate the area and follow product instructions. If tearing occurs, patch immediately with another strip and reinforce the join with glue. This restores strength. Finally, inspect for loose corners and secure them. These small steps ensure durability and a polished look when you're done.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.